In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide candles in TradingView. If you've ever wanted a clean chart to focus on your levels, indicators, or annotations without the distraction of price candles, this quick technique is exactly what you need. Hiding candles lets you temporarily clear the price bars from view while keeping your layout, drawings, and other tools intact so you can analyze with less visual clutter. First, open your chart in TradingView. Make sure you're looking at the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. It doesn't matter whether you're on a daily, hourly, or any other interval, the process is the same. If your chart type is set to candles, you'll see the familiar bodies and wicks. Even if you're using another style like bars, the same right-click method applies to the price series. Next, right-click directly on a candle. The key here is precision. Aim for the body or the wick of any candle, not the empty background or an indicator line. If you right-click the grid, you'll get a general chart menu, which isn't what we want. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click. On a mouse, use the standard right-click. If you have many drawings or overlays on your chart, zoom in a little, so it's easier to click the candle itself and not a nearby object. When the context menu appears, click on the Hide option. You'll see a line that refers to hiding the selected price series. Choose Hide, and the candles will immediately disappear from the chart area. Your axes, layout, drawings, and indicators remain. Only the price candles are hidden. This is great for assessing structure, spacing, or indicator behavior without the bars competing for attention. If the menu you see mentions hiding something else, like an indicator or a drawing, that usually means the click landed on that object instead of the candle. Simply right-click again, a bit more precisely on the candle body or wick, and choose Hide. If you accidentally hide the wrong thing, don't worry, you can always use the standard undo shortcut on your device to bring it back instantly. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you're working with multiple panes, make sure you right-click inside the pane that contains your price candles. If you prefer to keep the option handy, remember that right-clicking any candle will always bring the hide control back up whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, right-click directly on a candle, and choose Hide. With your candles out of the way, you'll have a cleaner canvas to think clearly and refine your analysis.